A very interesting guest was spotted in Mcimbini where she threw herself a lavish 34th birthday and Thanksgiving. That guest was Unompumelelo Ntuli Zuma, who is the ex-wife of Jacob Zuma, who also happens to be Lachwengo's ex-fiance and baby daddy. Sanbonani, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I guess bahlangana esithenjini bafuma umngani that clearly has moved beyond both of them exiting that relationship. If you don't know who Unompumelelo Ntuli Zuma is, let me give you a brief history. She became the second wife of Jacob Zuma after Nkosazana Zuma had divorced and moved on with her life. Then it was her at a time when Jacob Zuma was just about to be president and taking a lot of wives. She became the second wife, Elama Umakhumalo, then Kwabakhona Thobeka Madiba, then later on came Umangema. I guess somewhere there Ulachwengo was in the mix, headed towards being a wife herself. So she was then expelled from Umuzwaga Zuma under suspicions that why Hekeza a bodyguard, but also bathi why akha etulo lokuthi kudliswe Jacob Zuma into engalungile ukuze ahambe emhlabeni. Asazi-ke kodwa waclearishwa of all those charges. However, relationship yabo soured so much so ukuthi nje bahlukane, and at some point wayesenkantolo ethi ubaba akundla. Fast forward to 2025, clearly they have kept in touch Benola Congo to such an extent that she would be spotted celebrating a birthday gala Congo. It was a very star-studded event. DJ Zinhle was there, Alfie was the MC, and so many of Lachwengo's industry friends. I mean, she has so much to be grateful for. Her career yake is growing leaps and bounds, and clearly life is good. But it was very interesting to see that she may have left Istanbul Skazum, but clearly she kept some friends and said, you know what, if you are not going to stay stinging, at least keep the friends that you make there. But you guys do let me know what you think of this in the comment section. That is it for me for now, and I'll see you in my next one.